ongoing pandemic has taken a toll on logistics services demand across the country, and the transport sector is expected to shrink by almost 20% in the financial year 2021. Restrictions imposed on the movement of people and cargo has been a major cause of a diminished outlook for this sector, which forms the backbone of the economy. The domestic road transport sector is likely to contract by up to 20% on account of the ongoing pandemic-induced challenges. The rapid rise of COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent restrictive measures implemented by the central and state governments to contain the disease have adversely impacted the prospects of the Indian logistics sector, especially the road freight transportation movement. This was reflected in rating agency ICRA's revised outlook for the logistics sector from stable to negative, given the present situation and its impact on the industry matrix. The implementation of the 40-day nationwide lockdown aggravated the prevailing lull in economic activities, resulting in a decline in freight availability during the fourth quarter of the current fiscal, which further contracted sharply in the first quarter as per ICRA's findings. In financial year 2021, a contraction of 18 to 20% year-on-year in aggregate revenues is expected considering a sample of logistics companies. Additionally, the near-term profitability outlook is expected to remain under pressure due to low levels of fleet utilization, reduced freight availability and continued high fixed costs such as driver salaries, truck EMIs and maintenance costs result in a lower income outlook. The implementation of nationwide lockdown to contain the spread of the pandemic resulted in disruption in supply chains across sectors. Restrictions on cross-border movement and lack of driver availability has led to contraction in revenue of the logistics sector in the fourth quarter this year. A similar trend was seen in quarter 1 this year as per ICRA's observations. Going forward, the near-term growth prospects of the sector also remain subdued, evolving COVID-19 situation, which has hampered India's macroeconomic growth scenario. Accordingly, the domestic logistics sector is expected to contract sharply in the current fiscal. ICRA mentioned that the freight movement during the lockdown period was impacted by restrictions on cross-border movement, shortage in availability of drivers and manpower due to large-scale migration and lack of availability of return load. In addition to the impact on the road logistics sector, the macroeconomic slowdown and evolving COVID-19 situation also impacts the rail and seaway freight traffic. Freight volumes contracted by 21.3% and 19.7% year-on-year respectively during quarter 1 this fiscal. The decline in the freight volumes for the entire model period was more pronounced in the month of April this year due to complete lockdown imposed for the entire month. However, with gradual easing of lockdown limitations, railways and seaways freight volumes have revived to 85 to 90% of pre-pandemic levels in June 2020. ICRA sampled the financial performance of 10 large logistics companies and found that they were also adversely impacted in quarter 4 last fiscal. This happened due to aggregate revenues of operators declining by 5.3% year-on-year. This was in line with the continued moderation in GDP growth, which hit an 11-year low of 3.1%, resulting in subdued freight availability. The moderation is expected to continue in quarter 2 this year, with more subdued performances by companies operating in this space. The ratings agency expects GDP to contract by 25% during the period. It has been seen that customer demand continues to remain weak, especially in segments like automotive, capital goods, and retail. This, coupled with a slowdown in the production of bulk industrial commodities, is likely to impact growth of the sector. With intermittent lockdowns still in place in several pockets across the country and muted recovery anticipated in the industrial activity, the logistics sector, including warehousing, is likely to witness sharp demand contraction in the near term. While the sector reels under financial pressure, what can the government do to help this ailing sector? What can the transport sector do to reduce the impact of the lockdown?